A magnitude 7.5 earthquake has occurred along the west coast of Japan on the island of Honshu as a result of shallow reverse faulting in the Earth's crust. Earthquakes are common in Japan because it's situated between four tectonic plates. Over 100 major earthquakes of magnitude 7 or larger have occurred in Japan in the last 100 years. There are more than 100,000 earthquakes recorded in Japan every year, and of those, about 1,500 are strong enough to be felt. Most damaging earthquakes occur off the east coast of Japan, where the Pacific Plate subducts beneath the islands. This earthquake occurred on the west coast of Japan, where there's deformation or squeezing caused by the broader plate motions, which causes shallow earthquakes. This earthquake produced both strong shaking on land and generated a small tsunami. We'll see a video of that shortly. But first, I'm going to show you a video of earthquake waves from this quake sweeping across seismic stations in North America. Each one of these dots is a seismic station that records the motion of the ground. When the ground below the station moves up, the dot turns red, and when the ground below the station moves down, the dot turns blue. The waves recorded in North America from this event in Japan moved the ground less than 1/2 the width of a human hair, much too small to feel, but not too small to be measured by these sensitive seismic instruments. Now, not all of the seismic instruments in North America are shown in this animation, and the animation is not in real time. It's been sped up. So in just a moment, we're going to watch a video of the tsunami traveling up the Seiki River in the Niigata Prefecture. The tsunami was reported to be about 1 meter. Now, it's important to remember that most tsunamis do not result in giant breaking waves or like normal surf waves at the beach. Rather, they come in much like strong, fast-moving tides, but they can still be very, very dangerous. So if you feel strong earthquake shaking and are at or near the beach, that shaking may be your natural tsunami warning. Move inland or towards high ground as soon as the shaking has stopped. Japan leads the world in earthquake-resilient building design and construction, as well as earthquake monitoring and education. Still, earthquakes and their impacts can be frightening, and damage can still occur, as it did, unfortunately, during this earthquake. My thoughts are with all of the people that have been impacted by this terrible event.